Well, what do we have here? Danger! Yes, danger. Thanks, Keith. It's not often that you see these packs that have gone almost to the point of exploding, thankfully. But in this particular instance, the client brought me this and told me it had just finished charging. He took it off charge and turned around to do something, heard a strange hissing noise and a bang, and the thing deconstructed itself. Quite remarkable. So that shows the dangers of having these things on charge unattended. If you have kids using them, I would strongly advise you to tell them not to charge them in their bedrooms, and preferably to charge them on a non-flammable surface, maybe a ceramic dish or a metal tray of some kind. This does indicate the dangers. Fortunately, it didn't explode other than puffing up like this. But we'll get it changed out and see if we can recover this guy. Let's carefully get this guy unsoldered. Now, plus and minus are indicated on the board. Get that out of the way. So don't worry, this will be disposed of correctly. The local council have a place to put the lithium cells. Now I do happen to have a pack. I'm just concerned, I think the original pack was probably only 3 millimeters high and this is 4. So I'm just going to, before we solder it on, check that we can get the back on. That should be fine. You can see the cell comes with the positive lead protected, so we can solder the negative lead on first. And before we stick the cell down, I guess we better check that the thing still boots up and that the screen isn't cracked. Power button on the top here. Yes, so the screen isn't cracked, and the touch screen is obviously working as well. So let's power the guy off. Okay, so let me go and get some double-sided sticky for that. So I've found my double-sided tape now. Also note that the cell that I've replaced with is 3000 milliampere hours. The blown one has no markings on it, but I think it was, when it was working, a lower capacity than that. Just a small amount of the double-sided tape. Before we clip the back on, we have the volume buttons and the on-off button. And those are in place. Now I do notice that some of the little clips are broken, so perhaps the back won't latch on. We'll have to see. So just a final check. The back has clipped together okay, even though, as I say, there's a couple of the pieces of the clips broken off, but there's no gap there. So let's just switch it on and check. So here we can see the battery state, 63%, not charging. Obviously the battery is only going to be around that sort of value as it hasn't been charged yet. So I'm going to take this into a safe place and charge it.